In the market for a 2008 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.